Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you that what is happening in the Sapphire shop right now. You can see that what's happening is that the cats and dog sales are leaving the shop. There are only 4 left and 5 of them are gone. The Siamese cat is about to leave in 3 days. Other one is Siberian Husky, Scottish Old Cat, and a Chihuahua. Also, the Scottish Old Cat is the last cat breed, and the Chihuahua is the last dog breed in Animal Jam. The ones that are already gone are the German Shepherd, Himalayan Cat, French Bulldog, Maine Coon Cat, and the Golden Retriever. I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.